Hi, I'm Tricia. Come join me for 5 stretches that you can do comfortably in your own home. The first exercise we're going to do is on the exercise ball. On the exercise ball, it's going to help with your stability and building your core muscles, which is going to support your low back. So you're going to sit up straight, going to get your arms, and we're just going to twist just like this. Now what we're going to do is angel wings. The angel wings can be done either on an exercise ball, but it's so much easier to do if you just stand up against the wall. Get flush against the wall, feet level even with your hips. Then you're just going to pretend like you're making a snow angel. You're just going to go up and down, up and down. What it does is it pulls these muscles right here and opens it up. So they're going up and down. Also, you can go into a squat, up and down. You can do this exercise either on a mat, or you can also do it on your bed. It's a lot more comfortable than the floor, and it's easier. So you're going to get your band. You're going to have one foot, put it behind one foot, lay all the way back, hold your band, bring your leg up, hold it for 15 seconds. Then you're going to change positions. You're going to roll to your left, back up, and then roll to your right. You're going to feel it right in through here, your hamstrings. This one is going to help with your stability, again, in walking. So it's called the airplane, arms out, one foot in front of the other, like you're going to walk a straight line. Finger to your nose, finger to your nose, finger to your nose. Turn and repeat. Finger to the nose, finger to the nose, finger to the nose. This is our last exercise. It's going to help your hip flexors. That keeps you more mobile as you get, more settled. If you're really sedentary, it helps you with your mobility. Leg up and bring it out. Leg up, bring it out. Up and out. Up and out. You'll hear a pop sometimes, and that's that hip popping. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, please subscribe to our channel and see the number below.